kaming a little bit of a problem. Kahapon lang sinabi na nagkaroon daw sila ng chickenpox outbreak. So yung plano namin, yung birthday party na pinaghandaan natin, hindi na natin yun magaganap today. Good morning! We are on our way to Pasig. Today ang aming birthday outreach! Woo! Kaso meron kaming a little bit of a problem. Kahapon lang sinabi na nagkaroon daw sila ng chickenpox outbreak. So yung plano namin, yung birthday party na pinaghandaan natin, hindi na natin yun magaganap today. Pero syempre, priority natin syempre yung health and safety of everyone. So now, technically, we're just gonna drop off yung ating mga donations for the children's home sa tahanan ng pagmamahal in Pasig. Si Achi na lang sinama natin, si Daddy, and si Miss Joy.
We don't want the twins to get
Oo, kaya ingat na lang. Sayang kasi very excited kami and we also invited some friends to celebrate with us doon sa orphanage and may mga prizes, may konting games sana, may sorbetero, ganyan para ma-experience sana ng mga bata yung birthday party. Kumbaga kami na yung nagdala ng birthday party doon sa shelter. Kaso yun nga, kahapon sinabi, nagkaroon daw ng chickenpox outbreak and parang 6 lang yung bata na hindi affected. So only a day before kami na nasabihan. So medyo sira yung plans natin. Anyway, we're still gonna take videos nung mga products na pinadala ng ating brand partners para sa mga bata doon sa tahanan ng pagmamahal. Yun lang, hindi lang talaga tayo makakapag-party. It's the first year na hindi kami totally parang makakapag-celebrate. Kasi usually, ito talaga yung aming birthday celebration ni Amaria. Yung kung ano yung napili namin na matutulungan for the year, yun yung kasama namin to celebrate, to party. So ngayon, ganun lang, magda-drop off lang tayo. Hopefully makakuha lang ng konting videos and siguro videos din of the kids na i-blur out naman natin para syempre may pakita rin natin sa ating mga brand partners na talagang binigay natin yung kanilang donations for the kids sa shelter. We'll see you again later when we get there.
See you!
Thank you, Micah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pampers.
We already dropped off the items. I'm a bit sad because we didn't get to do the games and the party, but that's okay. But we really prepared for it. That's why me, mommy, and daddy were a bit sad. So we want to thank the brands that support us yearly, and for the orphanage we went today, thank you so much. It was a big help. All we pray and wish for the orphanage, for the kids to feel better and okay, and they will not feel scared anymore, and they will all heal. Yay! If you also want to donate and share, you can check out Tahanan ng Pagmamahalin in Pasig. Thank you!